Get into the cash, boy. The average, I keep adding to my name across the tabloid. I don't stress fame. But if I want, I could turn me into a household name. Way out of line, still in my lane. Dropping my aim, they pressing play to hit my life. I never fold, I keep it calm. They wanna rise out of me. I keep it glacier, cut you off soon as I see the first sign that you're not for me, in alignment with the gods and the kings. And I want everything, I need that payoff. She say she wanna dip out to Barbados. I'm still trying to see what they did to take off, protecting my peace. And I've been chefing this heat. I've been revving the pistons. I've been one with the vision. If somebody told you that they know me, then they told you it's a story. Keep my business on the low key. Yeah. If you fuck me, then for shorty. If you not, then it's a problem. I'm the source, we get it sorted. Yeah, if you for me, then for shorty. If you for me, can you show me?
I like getting lost.